Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. I'm gonna warn you, today's probably gonna be a teeny tiny bit boring. Just because I have to work from 8:30 to 6:30, and then at 10, Jack and I are going to go see Star Wars, or the new Star Wars movie that just came out not that long ago. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get ready real fast because it's like 7:45, and yeah, so that is what is going down here. I don't want to go to work for this long. Also, we're having Spirit Day, so I'm wearing my Clark Griswold shirt to work, so that's exciting. But I'm gonna go ahead and get ready real fast. Just gonna throw something together and
she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her the hardcover as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. It's Christmas Eve. I'm wearing my Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas shirt, but it's kind of itchy. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna go change, because that'll probably bother me like all day. But I guess I'll go ahead and get ready first because I'm meeting my mom at Costco, which is super exciting. I'm real happy to go. I could have a lot of plans today. I don't know. Because I might help my aunt out. Well, my great aunt out again, but she hasn't told me if I need to or yet not, so we will see about that. But like I said, I'm meeting my mom, and Jacob's grandpa has a birthday party tonight. I think it's his 84th is what I saw. His 84th birthday. It's a lot of birthdays to have. So we're gonna do that tonight, and then we might get to see our friend that moved down to Mississippi, I think. I don't know where he moved, but we might get to see him tonight as well. So that'll be fun. I guess we'll just see where the day takes us. So my face is done. I just need to spray it, but I also need to put in this dry shampoo. Now I'm just gonna take some hair oil and put it on my ends, because my ends get really dry whenever I put dry shampoo in. Even if I focus it on my roots, my ends get dry, so I'm gonna try and counteract that. And I just need to put a perfume on, and I'll be on my way.
The other one's washed.
So it is now nighttime. If you're wondering, this is where I stand with Jacob. You can just see my forehead.
And I'm really not tall.
You're really not, I'm just that short. But the dogs are about to each get something from their stocking, because they won't actually be together. On
You can
there
hear
even
Coyote
no,
probably.
they will be together on Christmas, but not
not
tomorrow
Christmas Eve.
whenever we do Christmas primarily, so I thought we could give them something tonight since they're together. And then it's Coyote at the door, so Jacob's gonna go distract them so I can put them out. Would you boys like these? Would you like what's in this? Do you want something?
Hey, what is it?
Okay. Here, come here. What's in your stocking? There's Coyote's and there's Frankie's. What's in that? Is that for you? Oh, are you so excited? Here, Coyote, what did you get? Okay.
I'm really proud of this cup. I told you I was going to use it.
Here, Coyote, this one's yours. What is in this? Coyote.
Frankie. Hey, what's this, boy?
Mini treats.
Oh.
Frankie, what is that? Here, do you want one of these? I think technically you're not supposed to have one yet, but
Here, boy.
that's okay. Oh, these smell like peanut butter. Oh. Oh. Hey. That's good. So just real quick, wanted to come in here, and I realized that I didn't show you what our projects looks like after
It's a
we
mess, so,
had
sorry.
finished them. Okay, yeah, it's a mess.
It's a storage room, so.
Yeah. But this table, it had like some weird, like, thick yellow gloss on it. It was a weird off-whitey color. Well, kind of like off-white, but mixed with like a teal gray color. It was weird. So now it's white. And then this over here, this chest, it's stained. And, okay, you see that backboard right there that's a different color? That's the color the whole thing was supposed to be.
I think this is the color it was supposed to be.
Because that looked more like what the tile looked like. So that must be like oak or pine or something.
It was
But
this color to be.
But the rest must be like a different wood, because and obviously that's like obnoxious to some people, but it doesn't really matter that much. It's
Still
like,
looks good.
it's one of those things that we're thinking just to put like at the end of a bed to like store stuff in. And then this is like obviously a coffee table, and it's not like perfect. Like you can see discoloration in it, like where,
But
oh my gosh, the brush hair.
Oh, did a brush hair get stuck in it?
Yes. Oh no, there's multiple. Oh my god.
We'll get them out.
We fudged it up. I fudged it up. Oh well. It's I didn't notice it standing way back here.
But no,
There's
it
kind-
looks a lot better. Now, whoever painted it before didn't do that good of a job, because even with 2 coats, like whatever they did right here, like that big old gloss
Yeah, there's
spot,
still some like mess ups in it, because they really messed it up. Like it was like this thick.
it was a thick,
Like
it was already
yellow
an
color.
off-white, and then
It
the
looked
gloss
like
they
a-
used.
Like yeah, like it looked like they glopped on a gloss, but only glopped it like a strip here and like a strip back there.
They didn't spread it. It was just kind of.
And even whenever you like sanded the
It was
top,
yellow.
it still didn't like come out. So
It was yellow. It was like,
yep. But
But
this
I
is
do
what it
like-
looks like now.
it did work out that stain came out that color, because now I'm just like the quilt ladder
Yeah.
and the taters and onions thing. So.
Yep. I feel like I look like I haven't gotten sleep in like 10 years. But I'm really not like awfully tired. I don't know what's happening. I have a lot of like mascara on my under eye, so that probably doesn't help. And I need to do my hair because it's frizzy and crazy and all those kind of no-no words. Or words you don't really want. But I'm getting ready to go to bed. I think I've decided that I'm going to link this, the 22nd, the 23rd, and the 24th all together, and then do Christmas as its own day. I don't know, I guess we'll see. You'll see whenever I post these. How it ends up going. But I think that's what I'm going to plan to do, because I didn't vlog a lot today. And I just had a lot of like running to do that you've seen 100 times. Literally 100 times in these vlogs. I cannot believe tomorrow is Christmas Eve. That's insane to me that tomorrow's Christmas Eve. I don't really know what to think about that at this moment. But that's okay. I'm about to I think I'm gonna use a sleeping mask tonight. I was gonna use this watermelon one, but I think I'm gonna use, I have another one in my stash. Here it is. From Dr. Brandt. It's the recovery sleeping mask. I feel kind of like I'm catching something, which is not good to feel. Like my throat's been really tickly, and that's not good. I've got my nose. Probably should have done my moisturizer before this. Oh well. So now that all that's on, I'm going to straighten my hair real fast and go to bed. Good morning, guys. Happy Merry Christmas Eve. I will show you my ridiculous outfit in a minute, but I need to start getting ready because in like an hour I have to be at Jacob's house, so don't worry, you'll get to see it. I don't know how long I'll actually last in it because it's actually very itchy, like really itchy. So I'm just going to get ready real fast now, well, decently fast. I'm gonna try, and yeah, that's what is happening here. I'm actually, I was gonna say I'm tired, but I'm not that tired. A little tired, but not that tired. Okay, so I'm heading to Jacob's house now. Probably should take this lip balm off that I forgot that I had on. But yeah, that's what's happening. I'm on the way. I just got to Jacob's and realized I don't have a lip color on. What kind of YouTuber am I to not have a red lip color on Christmas Eve? What am I doing with my life? He says, guys, the tweet is stuck. I cannot get it out.
Frankie, where's he going?
I do not know what to do with this.
He says, I do not understand. I've already eaten the half that was out.
He said, wait, that's it? I smell it though.
He says, I know it's in there.
He's like...
He's trying to eat it from the hole instead of chewing on the cone.
Ridiculous. Okay, you guys, although you probably saw like most of what we opened up here, or tried to, I'll show you my highlights.
Show you the highlights?
Yeah. And look at this awesome cookbook, you guys. Look how thick this is. It's a thick cookbook.
Very thick.
Very thick. It's a thick cookbook. I'm really excited. Oh, and you didn't see these over here. But Jay, I did get another one of these elf pellets, courtesy of Jacob.
Not that you don't have a lot of makeup or anything.
Oh no. And I finally got the Tartelin and Bloom palette that I've talked about for years.
Years?
Probably, I've talked about it for at least a year.
I've already talked
And I've almost gotten it like 5 different times. And then Look at this cute little ornament that Jacob's parents got us. I think it's cute. Frankie really enjoyed the Kong. Where's your toy?
It says it's hiding.
This was, I hid it. So no one else could get it. Even myself. I really don't know where he put it. Okay, so this is everything from upstairs. Obviously, some of Jacob's stuff is here. But I got this makeup organizer that I'm super excited about. This Coco Mademoiselle Chanel Eau de Parfum. And guys, look at this beauty. This is the most expensive palette I have ever owned in my entire life. Look how gorgeous. I'm so excited. Look at it. Look at it.
I'm glad you like it.
Exciting stuff, huh?
I'm glad you like it.
Also, this is what I was wearing earlier, but I was way too hot. Like, I thought I was gonna have a heat stroke and, like, pass out on the floor upstairs. But it's a dress, you guys. And it's got these puff balls everywhere. It's really cute, actually, but it was just way too hot. It's burning up. So now I'm in my office shirt, and Jacob's in his subpar gift giver.
It's amazing.
You're welcome. But we're gonna sign off for now. We're gonna go upstairs and play a game.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what we're gonna do. There's the hamster.
Sadly, nothing for her.
Yeah.
Not much you can get a hamster for Christmas.
No. But she just likes being alone with her hut and water and wheel that's dirty.
Very dirty. Need to clean it.
But yeah. Okay, guys. So technically it's Christmas, but we're gonna pretend that it's Christmas Eve. Okay. And I'm about to go to bed because I'm super tired. And yeah. So I will see you all in the morning. I got my outfits all ready. Coffee pot is set and ready to go to brew at a very early time in the morning. So yeah, I will see you all in the morning.